Hello everyone, this is Sam here. Today we are going to clarify the Lofted boss feature, how we add a relation between points and lines, and how we add a plane to sketch on. Besides that, how we offset a sketch. In this video, we are providing how to design a hairdryer machine. Firstly, to loft a design, we must have more than one plane. Add planes to draw the body of the hairdryer. Draw a circle on each plane. Head up to Lofted Boss. Pick out all the circles. This is how we Lofted Boss. To draw the hairdryer's hand, let's head over to the fourth plane. Draw a center line. Then draw a spline. Offset is to place over against something. We can offset faces, edges, curves. Let's offset the spline. Adding a relation between sketch entities in either 2D or 3D sketches is to elicit an accurate design. We have spoken of the revolve boss feature. If you are new, click on the I button and check it out. We have to put in another plane according to the top plane to draw on. Let's make the wire of the hairdryer. We have mentioned before how to sweep. You can check it out. Let's finish this hairdryer. We have discussed fillet and mirror. Hit the I button and find them out. We can loft between any shapes. Furthermore, pushing to the limit to create this hairdryer looks more logical. We have made a video about extrude cut. You can find it out in the I button. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.